So we just got this off, and now we've been building for a little bit more, and look at the TV. Isn't that cool? Now I'm going to show you my fort. That I'm literally copying this. It's a 2-story Legos. And let me go show you. We haven't got the first floor done yet, but here is where the door is, and we still have to build it. It's still stretching out. Do you see that? It's so cool. And then you come around, there's another couch. This is holding it up. Here's the blanket, and then it holds up, and then this is the back area that you can come back here and come up here. And then this is our living room. This is my watch, this is my TV remote. This is our couch. And this is our blankets. This is our movies. Here's our other stuff. I hide in there sometimes. I don't know why, but my dad's been working on the roof, and he's almost done. And we're gonna show you when we're done. We're almost done. Okay. This is what it's gonna look like in a couple minutes. It can fly and everything. I only need to do a little bit more stuff to do to it. So I'll show you when it's done. Bye-bye.